This Instagram follow reminder template will work with Premiere Pro 2019 or above versions. Let me show you how to edit and use this template. Open project file in Premiere Pro. To change profile photo, open Profile Photo Sequence. Now let's import image. Place profile photo into the timeline. Place it below graphic layer. Now enable graphic layer. Try to keep profile photo in circle. Now hide graphic layer. It's looking good. Now click on the template and open Essential Graphics panel to change texts. Add your username here. Here you can add posts number. Following number can be changed from here. Here you can add followers number. Now let me show you how to export this template as transparent clip. Go to File, Export, Media. In Format select QuickTime. In Preset select Apple ProRes 4444. Here click on Match Source. Check on Render at maximum depth. In Depth select 16-bit per channel plus alpha. Also check on Use maximum render quality. Now export it. Now let's check if it is transparent clip or not. I am taking a new sequence. Place any image or video into the timeline. Now let's import rendered transparent clip. Place it at the top of image. You can see it's a transparent clip. You can adjust its position or scale through Effects Control panel. That's it. Thanks for watching.